All right, we're here with Matt Keysweater, and I've got an awesome question to ask that I know you're going to have a ton of value taken away from this right now. So Matt, when you're going up to a parking lot that's 8 to 10 years old, what are the most important things in order that you focus on from the time that you arrive on site to do a pavement assessment?
So the first thing I look at is potholes, trip hazards, any low spots, anywhere where their water's going to be sitting and causing damage. So that's my main focus. That's year one, we're going to fix those areas. Maybe year two, we're going to do a bit of crack sealing. So that's the second thing I'm going to look at. And if it's a 2 to 3 year plan, then maybe year three, I'm going to look at the seal coating. It really just depends on how bad the parking lot is. But that main thing is we want to look at making sure that those potholes are gone, trip hazards are gone, anything like this that you're not going to see this in the parking lot, because no sense of crack sealing or seal coating until all those major areas are fixed. And so concentrate on the asphalt side of it first, whether that's a cut and patch and infrared. For us, our main focus is infrared, so we look at infrared first, crack sealing and seal coating second. Yeah.